Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what you need to put into a newsletter or some type of marketing if you want some business right now. So let's say today you're sitting there, the phones aren't ringing, you're not doing any walkthroughs, and you're sad. So you want to think of something you can do right now that you can put in some marketing material, put it all together, a quick little Word document, or go into Fiverr.com, one of my favorite places. They can put something together for like $20, and you want to put in something that you're going to be able to send to some potential customers. So what could that be? It could look like simply areas that you probably missed in your office that we would make sure we pay attention to. So some areas that you could talk about that they're missing are copying machines, the coffee maker, water cooler, door handles of the refrigerator. Make sure you put the who, the what, and the why. That's what you want to do when you get their attention. A simple little letter talking about our germs living on these areas, and make it seem as if it's urgent, which it is. Make it where you need to get that walkthrough and you need to get that contract. So implement that today. And if you want to know anything else, guess what you can do? You can actually sign up for my free masterclass where I go over the 3 ways you are going to make sure you get the contract and find the clients, how they're going to come to you in a system where you're not having to do the hunt and the chase for them. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the link to register, bring pen, bring your paper. Look forward to you being there with energy, smiles on your faces, and ready to get down to business and scale your business to what? 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.